Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can make collaborative or account or playlist on Spotify. It called in another way it calls blend. So let's learn how to make it. As you can see, when I search blend, it will take me on this site, on this page. So you can see my and my friends blend playlist. And what a blend means, it's a playlist where me and my friend can add music, but only two people can, not three or more, because it's for only two people. You and your friend can create one blend playlist where you can add your favorite musics. So let's see how we can make it really easily. You have to go here and click this, and then you have to send link to your friend to invite him on your blend. So that's really easy, really simple. So when he will approve your request, he will be, or he or she will be here, and they can add music. So that was all for today's video, guys. I hope I helped. See you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.